Your company's AI bill doubled last quarter, and nobody can tell you why. Not which team spent it, not which model, not what it actually bought. I'm a telecoms engineer and I run multiple businesses with Claude doing a serious chunk of the work. When you put I in front of real work, real money, real customers, you hit two problems nobody warns you about. Your AI spend is a black box, and every message running up that bill is quietly carrying your private data out of your network. Let me show you how I open both. Start with the money. Most AI spend is a black box. One number goes up and that's it. No budget per team, no alert, no line item your finance people can defend. And there's a hidden multiplier. Everyone assumes a short question is cheap, but every call drags the whole conversation, the context, the retreat. A one line prompt can cost 5 times what you'd guess. Multiply that across a company, and a few cents per call turns into a bill nobody can explain. If you can see costs per team and per model, you're not controlling it. You're just watching a meter you don't understand. Now, the part that's scarier than the bill, the exact same messages running up your costs are carrying your secrets out the door. Client names, ID numbers, bank accounts, API keys, network configs, pasted into a prompt and shipped to a cloud you don't control. On the GDPR, that's up to 4% of global revenue. The EU AI Act pushes it towards 7, and we told people not to paste sensitive data. It's not a control, it's a hope. So you've got two problems hiding in one place. You can't see what AI costs, and you can't see what is leaking. Same choke point, which means you can fix both in exactly one place. So here's what I built: one gateway that sits in front of every AI call. It speaks the same language as the Claude API. So you change one thing, the address your app talks to, and everything else stays exactly the same. No rewrite, no new SDK. And it runs on your own network, self hosted. None of it lives in someone else's cloud. Let me show you what it actually does. First, privacy. Watch a real message go through. Here's a legal request with the client's real name, ID number, bank account, and email. The gateway catches every one of those and swaps them for realistic fakes. Same shape, still valid looking. So the AI's reasoning stays correct. Juan Perez becomes Diego Sosa. A real account number becomes a different, valid looking one. The AI only ever sees the fake version. That green column is exactly what left the building. When the answer comes back, the gateway puts your real values back in, so you get a perfect reply. Your real data never left your network, not once. Now the money. Every call is counted by team, by model, in real dollars. Here's a budget per team. Legal's fine. IT is fine. Finance is at 106% over budget, flagged in red before the surprise ever hits an invoice. Set a limit and the gateway warns you or blocks the call before you blow it, and it exports straight to a spreadsheet. So your finance people get a line item they can actually defend. That black box. Now it's a glass box. Two more things that matter when it's real. First, fail close. If the gateway can safely sanitize a message or you try to mix data that should never be mixed, like a network config with a medical record, it doesn't do its best. It blocks the call. Nothing leaks by accident by design. Second, the audit trail. Every request is logged, but the original is stored only as a fingerprint, never in plain text. You can see exactly what was swapped and exactly what the AI saw, message by message. So when an auditor asks you to prove what your AI touched, you just show them. So two problems, one gateway. Cost control. See and cap what AI spends per team, per model. Privacy. Your confidential data is swapped for fakes before anything leaves your network and is fail closed by design. One tool, self hosted on your own network. I'm opening early access now. If your company runs AI on real data and you like to actually see the bill and stop the leaks, the link is in the description. Join the waitlist and I'll see you inside.